how to create account on Mango Live. So if you want to create a Mango Live account, then what you need to do is you just need simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection and go with your Play Store or your App Store and download Mango Live or install the Mango Live application. Once you install, you can open up the application, and here you will have three options. One is Facebook, Google, and the last one is phone number. So you can either create your account with your Facebook or Google or phone number. I'll just simply go with Google. Once you choose Google, now you need to just go with your mail account that you would like to use or Google account that you would like to use to create your account. Once you've selected, now you need to go with your date of birth, your gender, your profile photo, and the region or the country that you're living in. And after that, invitation code. If you have your invitation code, you can just enter the invitation code. But if you don't have it, just go with next. And you can follow some persons. Just simply select the persons that you would like to follow. Tap on follow and watch, which is on the bottom. And that's it. Your account has been created. So that's how you can create a Mango Live account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.